Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. We're going to be starting a new series called Quick Tips. These videos are going to be about component locations and how to maintain your car. Hey, in the comments below, let me know what you guys think about the new series Quick Tips. And if you're working on something and you need some tips, shoot me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, I want to give you guys a quick tip on something. I had a customer come in after the car ran for a little while, had a hard time starting, and it had good fuel pressure and had decent spark. So got to looking a little bit further. If you look inside the distributor cap, you're going to see some debris. And what was happening was it was giving an erratic spark. So even though you had spark, it wasn't the correct type of spark or the correct amount of spark going to the plug. And that's what was causing it, after the vehicle got warm, that's what was causing it not to start.